An estimated 1/3 of Americans wait until the last minute to file their taxes. But with the expansion of the IRS Direct File tool, millions more taxpayers now have the option to file quickly and at no cost. And joining us now to explain more is Adam Ruben, Vice President of the Economic Security Project. Good morning, Adam. How are you doing this morning?
I'm great. Thanks for having me.
It's a pleasure having you on because I think this is, very beneficial to our viewers. So for them, what exactly is Direct File and can you break it down for us?
Direct File is a simple, secure, and always free tax filing option provided by the IRS to help take some of the headache out of filing taxes. Look, nobody loves having to prepare their taxes, but at least you shouldn't have to pay to get it done. So if you have a local accountant you like or commercial software, you can still use that. But if you'd like to be able to file for free from your phone or your computer, usually in less than an hour and with no hidden fees or upselling, now you can with IRS Direct File.
Yeah, how exactly does Direct File work and what makes it easier for people to file their taxes in this way?
It's a website that's going to walk you through a simple set of questions in English or Spanish to help you fill in the information on your tax return. If you get stuck, there's free live chat support in both languages. And people who've used it this year have also been really excited that the IRS has started filling in some of the information on your return for you. That makes sense because the IRS already knows how much you made. They have your W-2 form from your employer. So rather than quizzing you on it, they just fill it in on your tax return for you. And that's a big step towards making tax filing virtually automatic the way that it is in many other countries.
Yeah, I know another question a lot of viewers might ask is, can someone who's filing independently do this? Can businesses do this? Who is it actually meant for and who can file their taxes this way?
Direct File is for users with simple tax situations across 25 states, including here in Nevada. So that's people who are employees who get a W-2 form with their income from their employer. It's not yet available for freelancers or gig workers or people with complicated investments or who work across multiple states. All told, about 32 million people are eligible for Direct File, and folks can check their eligibility by going to this website, directfile.irs.gov.
Who would you say benefits most from using this platform, from using Direct File?
I think it's for folks who want to save time and money. The average taxpayer spends $160 and 9 hours filing their taxes. And most people would rather use that money to pay their bills than pay TurboTax. Direct File is always free. There's no middleman trying to upsell you or sell your data. In fact, our research at Economic Security Project finds that when Direct File is fully built out within a few years, Nevada taxpayers could save $183 million a year in tax prep fees saved, in time saved, and additional tax credits that it's going to help people claim. So that's real money back in working in middle-class families' pockets.
Yeah, who doesn't want to hear that? I know you mentioned in a few years' time when things are fully built out. So what is next for Direct File? Are there any cool updates or plans for the future for expansion, or what's going to be happening with the platform?
I'm optimistic about the future for Direct File because just about everybody who's used it loves it. Last year, people who used Direct File, over 90% recommended it and preferred it to other ways of filing taxes. So it's been quite popular, and I think the Trump administration says they're waiting until after this tax season to decide whether to keep it going. The bottom line is this is good government. It's making people's lives easier. So if they're serious about government efficiency, it's hard to think of a good reason for them to mothball a proven popular program like Direct File.
Yeah, it's a good point. So if someone is interested in using Direct File or just wants to maybe learn some more information, where should they go?
They can go to directfile.irs.gov for more info or to check their eligibility. And if you're not eligible, let your friends and family know. You just might save them a little money this tax season.
Yeah, everyone likes to hear they're saving some money. Adam, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
Again, for more information on this IRS Direct File tool and how it's making tax filing quicker and easier for millions of people, for more information to get started with Direct File, just visit the IRS website at directfile.irs.gov.